Student, breeding objectives in groundnut under the course GPB 311 क्रॉप इम्प्रूवमेंट, इसके अंतर्गत हम पढ़ रहे हैं। तो ब्रीडिंग ऑब्जेक्टिव्स में अगला बिंदु है जिसको हमने इस वीडियो में शामिल किया है, वो है ब्रीडिंग फॉर इंक्रीज्ड सीड वाइबिलिटी। सो द प्रोड्यूस ऑफ रबी और समर crops rapidly loses viability because high drying temperature and high humidity during the storage lead to loss of integrity of seed testa and cause afflux of crucial enzymes and other solutes of shocking. Hence, use of the produce of one rabi or summer for sowing the next rabi or summer season crop results in poor plant stand, reduced crop vigor, and finally losses in the yield. Variation among groundnut genotypes in retention of seed viability of rabi or summer produce has been detected, and genotypes retaining over 70% seed viability after 8 months of storage under ambient condition have now been identified. Next breeding objective, point number 9 is breeding for cold tolerance. The seed germination and seedling growth of rabi or summer crop is very affected because of low temperature. It is one of the important constraints of groundnut production in North India especially. Very less work has been done on breeding for tolerance to cold. Groundnut requires minimum base temperature of 11 degrees Celsius for germination and for sustained growth. Some germplasm lines have been identified that can germinate and show seedling growth at less than 12 or 18 degree temperature cycles. Next point number 10, breeding for high temperature tolerance. The optimum temperature at which groundnut can efficiently grown is 30 to 35 degrees Celsius. High temperature over it affects photosynthesis, water use, and reproductive growth. High temperature stress is faced by the rabi or summer groundnut at time of peak flowering and pod filling stages. In Kharif, crop also faces high temperature in Rajasthan. The genetic differences in heat acclimation potential have been reported to be small and unrelated to growth differences. Next breeding objective, point 11, breeding for salinity tolerance. Soil salinity is a problem of coastal areas and heavily irrigated light soils, like as in under the IGNP in Rajasthan and Kutch Bhuj areas of Gujarat. Groundnut cannot germinate and grow at salinity levels exceeding 8 EC electrical conductivity. A large number of genotypes have been screened in vitro at NRCG, and those that can germinate at high salinity levels have been identified. Planned efforts of breeding for salinity tolerance are needed to tackle this problem. Next point or breeding objective is 12, point number 12, breeding for increased biological nitrogen fixation, BNF. Breeding for BNF in groundnut. So, the groundnut fixes nitrogen in symbiosis with rhizobia. Groundnut is promising in this sense that it can be nodulated by a whole group of Rhizobium species known as Cowpea miscellany. It is reported that 124 kilogram per annum nitrogen is fixed by groundnut crop. The efficiency of BNF, biological nitrogen fixation, can be increased substantially by a proper choice of combinations of host genotypes and Rhizobium strain. The breeding approaches for increased nitrogen efficiency fixation needs the variability in the host Rhizobium and their interaction. A large variability is available for host genotypes from germplasm collections. Nitrogenase activity, nodule mass, and nodule number are the important components for BNF efficiency. So this is all about the objective of breeding, objective for groundnut. कुछ और ब्रीडिंग ऑब्जेक्टिव्स हैं जिनको हम अगली वीडियो में कवर करते हैं.